Ni Jake yan. Yan. Yan si Jake.
Vlogs!
Hi Jake. Alright.
Let's go fishing!
Alright.
Open up, you open up.
Christian's first casting as a fisherman. Woo! Galing!
Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola.
I think I got one. Oh, yeah. Walang huli!
Ang laki niyan Jake ah. Tingin. At puta.
Unang huli!
Endangered yan. Bawal yan. Catch and release tayo dito Jake ah. I-release mo yan yan.
Catch and release.
Iba talaga to si Jake. Iba talaga. So, backing up na po kami. Pack up na kami. Papakita lang po namin sa inyo yung huli namin. Niripack ko na din po para ready to fridge na mamaya. Dito na siya. Yan.
Sinong gusto bumili?
In-arrange ko na rin. Chinek ko yung, hinati ko yung isa. Pagpakita ko lang na fresh pa talaga yan. Fresh. Yan po yan. Alright. Next time ulit Jake, yes?
We should be closer than friends.